Okay, good morning all. Ma, what about the last class, ma'am? In Lagrange's, how many questions over? Tell me, anyone?
Yesterday we completed. Yesterday. Previous class.
Ma, tell me, anyone? Which one is completed in last class? Last problem. I gave one question for the cos inverse x as homework, right? And after that, logarithmic form is over, ma. Logarithmic form.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? And this one is over, ma. Decreasing function and increasing function.
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. In the last class, I explained tan inverse x form and sin inverse x, cos inverse x homework ichchanu. After that, logarithmic form. What is the logarithmic form? Last question, ma. Tell me that question.
Hello.
Tell me that
1
last.
minus a by b less than log b by a less than b by a minus 1. ma'am.
Hello.
Okay, 1 minus a by b less than log b by a less than b by a minus 1. Okay, that one, right? Okay, now write down the next one. Write down one definition. Ma'am, slow. Definition. Write down all.
We'll discuss today nylon 66 and the Teflon.
A function f of x is said to be
If the time is set,
of x is said to be increasing function.
PVC. Preparation of polyvinyl.
Increasing function
By addition
if
to process.
f dash of x greater than 0 and it is said to be
Applying heat and pressure.
decreasing function
Polyvinyl chloride. So after this preparation, we will go
if
we will use this
f dash of x less than 0. Okay, is it clear? All of you note down this definition. According to that, I will explain the first problem. Okay. A function f of x is said to be increasing. When it is increasing, if f dash of x ఎప్పుడైతే greater than 0 అవుతుందో, then that is increasing function. If f dash of x is less than 0, then it is decreasing function. Okay. For that, write down one example question.
And this polymer is strong and brittle, but it is not stable to
Find the region. Find the region
UV radiation
in which
so these are the properties of polyvinyl and application.
it is decreasing.
So we use rigid PVC.
Find the region in which f of x is equal to 1 minus 4x minus x square is increasing
So we will use plastic
and the region in which it is decreasing. It is decreasing using mean value theorem. Using mean value theorem. So this is the question for that. Once you see here given one function f of x is 1 minus 4x minus x square. See, this is increasing. Find out the increasing region. Region means interval. And where it is decreasing, then you can find out that decreasing region. That is interval. Ekkadaithe exist avutundo, then you can find out the increasing function and decreasing function interval values. Okay, for that, okay, what is the given function here? F of x is equal to 1 minus 4x minus x square. For that, first I will take the differentiation of that. That is minus 4 minus 2x. Minus 4 minus 2x. Okay, once all of you see ma, f dash of x eppudu 0 avutundi at what value of x? Tell me. At x is equal to what? Ekkada 0 ayye chances in the f dash of x? Tell me anyone. When at x
Is equal to minus 2. ma'am.
X is equal to minus 2.
Minus 2. That is f dash of minus 2 is equal to minus 4 minus of minus 2 into 2, that is minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, f dash of x as 0 at x is equal to minus 2. Okay, this is not compulsory. F dash of x ekkada 0 అవుతుంది మనకు అవసరం లేదు. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాల్సింది ఏంటి, ఇంక్రీజింగ్ అండ్ డిక్రీజింగ్ ఫంక్షన్ ఎప్పుడు అవుతుందో చెక్ చేయాలి. అంటే ఇఫ్ యు నో f dash of x is 0 at particular value of x is equal to minus 2, maybe for that nearer value only we got the increasing function and decreasing function. Okay, that means if x is minus 2 greater than 0, okay, our case lo maybe increasing avachchu, or x is equal to minus 2 less than 0, in that case maybe it is decreasing function. Ante manaki ekkada nearer lo ekkada avutundo first you have to find out the particular value. F dash of x is 0 avutundi ante ekkada avutundi, x is equal to minus 2, maybe the decreasing and increasing also, okay, nearer to that minus 2. Okay, dan kosme I will take f dash of x as 0 at x as minus 2. Okay, now I'll calculate. Okay, what is increasing function? Increasing function means according to the definition is what ma, if f dash of x as greater than 0, ఎప్పుడు 0 అవుతుంది, గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ఎప్పుడు 0 అవుతుందో విల్ చెక్ దట్. ఓకే, ఫర్ ది increasing function means increasing function, that means if f dash of x greater than 0, ఈ కండిషన్ ఎక్కడ ఏ వాల్యూ దగ్గర సాటిస్ఫై అవుతుందో అది చెక్. ఓకే, మేబీ at x greater than of at x, okay, f dash of x greater than 0 at x less than minus 2 values తీసుకుంటాను నేను. At x less than minus 2. X less than minus 2 means what are the values? Tell me ma. Minus 2 less than values ఏముంటాయి? X less than minus 2 values. Tell me.
The number of carbons.
మా less than of minus 2 అంటే ఏ values వస్తాయి? minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 up to the minus infinite, right? At x less than minus 2 means I'll check that x less than of minus 2 means minus 3 దగ్గర f dash of x చూద్దాం. That is f dash of minus 3 is equal to, that is minus 4 minus 2 into minus 3, that is minus 4 plus 6, that is equal to 2. See all of you, you are taken x less than of minus 2 value, therefore f dash of x as greater than 0. That means if you are taken any value of x less than of minus 2, definitely this condition is satisfied. Which condition? F dash of x greater than 0 condition. Therefore, okay, therefore it is an increasing function. Then what is the region of that? For region ఎట్లా రాస్తాము? minus 2 minus infinity to minus 2. Less than of minus 2, every value it will be increasing function. Therefore, the region of this is minus infinity to minus 2. Is it right, ma? Therefore, here at x less than minus 2, f dash of x greater than 0. Therefore, it is increasing function. It is increasing function. Therefore, that region, okay, how I'll write the region? minus 2 to less than of minus 2 values, that is minus infinity to minus 2. This is the increasing function. Okay, note down. After that, I'll continue with the decreasing. Okay, copy చేయండి all of you. First part completed, the first part completed, then I'll continue there. Make it fast.
బాయ్ పోతుంది. బాయ్
Don't
పోతుంది.
talk. Please mute yourself.
మామ కార్ కావాలి.
And they absorb little much. And that's with the information, if it has no fast, okay, they will absorb little much. And this happens at taking this okay, after the question, and we can original shape after. Original shape after. So next,
Ma'am, -2 closed interval, ma'am, open, ma'am.
Open interval, open interval.
Okay, and good abrasion resistance. It is having good abrasion.
Okay, shall I rub this first part na? Completed? It complete na?
After some days or later, when using the mixture, if there is no removal
Okay,
of
rub చేస్తున్నా.
upper layer of that mixture, no removal of upper layer of the mixture, so that mixture will have good abrasion.
Ma, what about the second part? All are copied?
If there is some removal of upper layer of the material is there, so we
Yes,
can
ma'am.
see that it is
మా ఎప్పుడు ఒక్కడే మాట్లాడతాడా వాడు ఒక్కడే రాస్తున్నాడా అటెండెన్స్ మాత్రం అందరూ మాట్లాడతారు కదా గర్ల్స్ సైడ్
Yes, ma'am.
ఆల్ ఆర్ కాపీడ్ మా
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
okay now I'll continue here for the decreasing function I'll modify there
high temperature and they are insoluble nylon systems. They are insoluble in common organic solvents like benzene, but soluble in phenol and formol. They are soluble in phenol and formol. And these fibers are
okay next decreasing function
to increase the strength, to increase the strength and abrasion.
decreasing
So these are the
function
properties of nylon systems.
okay how we got the decreasing function according to the definition if f dash of x less than 0 when it is less than 0 maybe at x greater than -2 why because for the increasing function x less than -2 values తీసుకున్నప్పుడు exist అయింది that means for the decreasing function is exist at x greater than -2 if f dash of x is less than 0 now I'll check with one example of that x greater than -2 means what are the values of that tell me greater than of -2 means values చెప్పండమ్మా
So these are the properties of nylon.
greater than
-1, 0.
I'll check with -1 for that f dash of x as that is f dash of -1 is equal to -4 minus of 2 into minus of 1 okay that is -4 plus 2 that is -2 is less than 0 if you are taken any value of x greater than -2 definitely f dash of x is less than 0 okay now I'll check with one example that is at x is equal to -1 therefore at x greater than -2 okay f dash of x as less than 0 therefore it is decreasing function decreasing function decreasing function therefore what is the region ma tell me region ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి x greater than of -2 values అంటే ఏమొస్తాయి -1 0 1 2 3 and so on up to the infinity right that means
-2 to
here
infinity, ma'am.
that is -2 to infinity is the region for the decreasing function okay note down this
Some other examples are so this is about nylon systems. You how to write students first when you just write preparation and properties and applications of nylon. So to write first preparation when you write properties or properties then write so next is polytetrafluoroethylene. It is also known as Teflon. So preparation, properties and applications of Teflon or polytetrafluoroethylene. So this polytetrafluoroethylene, okay, or Teflon, it is prepared by addition fermentation. It is prepared by addition fermentation. It is prepared by addition fermentation.
finished
Okay. So by taking, what we are taking now, what monomers here?
Yes, ma'am.
Tetrafluoroethylene.
okay now I'll take one more question okay write down all
Tetrafluoroethylene molecules and adding benzoyl peroxide and applying heat and pressure and we can get okay we are getting a linear
okay
polymer.
write down the next
Phase
question
polymer.
if If f dash of x is 0,
the same like one more example.
if f dash of x is equal to 0, okay, throughout an interval,
So we are adding, okay, we are adding.
interval, closed interval a comma b, prove using mean value theorem, using mean value theorem that f of x is a constant in that interval. Constant in that interval. Okay, this is the question. Once you see, it is very simple question. F dash of x is 0 ainappudu, by using Lagrange's mean value theorem, then you have to prove f of x as a constant in that interval a comma b. Okay, how we got this? Tell me, ma. By Lagrange's theorem, what is the formula of the Lagrange's theorem? F dash of, tell me, f dash of c is equal to what? F of b minus f of a by b minus a, right? In place of f dash of c, ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటి? 0 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. అప్పుడు టేకింగ్ క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ b minus a కూడా 0 అయిపోతుంది. Then f of b is equal to f of a. In place of b, just take x. Then f of x is equal to f of a. F of a and ఏంటి? That is one constant. Therefore, f of x is a constant. Okay, that's the procedure for this. Very simple question. Okay, write down. Given that, let f of x be a function defined in closed interval a comma b, and let f dash of x is equal to 0 for all x in closed interval a comma b. Therefore f of x is differentiable in open interval a comma b, and f of x is continuous in closed interval a comma b. There exists by the Lagrange's mean value theorem, c belongs to ab such that f dash of c is equal to, I take in place of b as f of x minus f of a by x minus a. Okay, from that condition, from the given question, what is f dash of x ma? 0. And f dash of 0 ఏమవుతుంది? 0. f of x minus f of a by x minus a. Take the cross multiplication of that. That is f of x minus f of a is equal to 0. That is f of x is equal to f of a. Student, f of x is what? One constant. Therefore, this is true for all x in AB. Well, a comma b. Therefore, f of x is a constant. This is the answer. No doubt.
simple travel size. And it is used for non-stop for
Now finished? Finish this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ma, how many questions over in that Lagrange's? How many questions over? Any questions అయినాయమ్మా?
6 ma'am.
సిక్సా? సిక్స్ అయినారా?
అంటే ఒకటి హోంవర్క్ ఇచ్చారు కదా మ్యామ్ కాస్ ఇన్వర్స్.
అది 7 కదా?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, it's enough. Next I'll start the last theorem in the third unit for the CAE one. Okay, Cauchy's mean value theorem. మరి ఆ క్వశ్చన్ ఎందుకు కంప్లీట్ చేయలేదు? Write down the last theorem, Cauchy's mean value theorem. Write down the statement.
Now I give 5 points here in properties of properties of physics. So what is the melting point of physics?
Write down if f of x and g of x
What is the melting point of physics?
defined in closed interval a comma b such that
What is the melting
such
point
that
of nylon?
first one f of x comma g of x are continuous
Melting point of nylon physics.
continuous in closed interval a comma b, and the second one f of x and g of x are
The melting point of Teflon.
differentiable
The 3 polymers discuss separation properties used.
in open interval a comma b.
Point of PVC.
Third one, g dash of x not equal to 0 for all x belongs to a comma b. Then there exists at least one point c belongs to ab such that f dash of c by g dash of c is equal to f of p minus f of a by g of p minus g of a. Note down the statement same as Lagrange's, okay, and Rolle's theorem. It is continuous and differentiable, and g dash of x is not equal to 0. For that, at least one point c belongs to ab such that f dash of c by g dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by g of p minus g of a. There is no geometrical interpretation of this. Okay, directly I'll start the first question from the Cauchy's. Okay, note down the statement all.
PVC is resistant to it is not stable to heat. It is not stable to heat and will be radiation.
Okay, ma, finished? Is it finished?
Versus high temperature
Malar copied this?
and food abrasion
No.
Yes, ma'am.
abrasion
Okay, okay.
resistance. And it is soluble in phenol and formic acid.
Okay, right on the first question from the Cauchy's. It's very simple, ma. No geometrical interpretation. Okay, for that, Rolle's theorem, Lagrange's ela same. Right on the first question, find C of Cauchy's mean value theorem. Mean value theorem.
What is the melting point of Teflon?
Mean value theorem for f of x is equal to root x and g of x is equal to 1 by root x in closed interval a comma b, where 0 less than a less than b.
So these 5 points you have to remember.
Okay, this is the question for that. Find C of Cauchy's mean value theorem for f of x is equal to root x and g of x is equal to 1 by root x in closed interval a comma b, where 0 less than a less than b. Okay, same as previous. From the statement only we have to verify first the given two functions are differentiable and continuous. Madam.
Rank line is, next.
Okay. Okay. Given that f of x is equal to root x and g of x is equal to 1 by root x. Okay, from that first, if these two are differentiable or not, we have to verify. That is, f dash of x differentiation is what, ma? Tell me. Root x differentiation and 1 by
1 by 2 root x.
Similarly, tell me the differentiation of g dash of x. Minus 1 by 2 into x root x. Okay, na? Write it in the brackets. Allow it chindi ante. Okay, g of x is, I will write it as x power minus 1 by 2 form, which is in x power n form. That is minus 1 by 2 into x power minus 1 by 2 minus 1. That is minus 1 by 2 into x power minus 3 by 2. I'll write simply that as minus 1 by 2 into x power 3 by 2. X power 3 by 2 nela raichma. X into root x raichu kada. Then for that we got like this. Doubts unte write it in the brackets that rough work on g dash of x. Okay, therefore these two are differentiable. And here what is one more condition? G dash of x is okay. If rendu differentiation ayini ante this is definitely continuous. And one more condition for that, g dash of x is not equal to 0, right? G dash of x is not equal to 0. That means how we verify g dash of x is not equal to 0. Here once you see the question where 0 less than a less than b, that means if you have taken any values of a, b greater than of 0, definitely g dash of x is not equal to 0. Okay, then directly I'll write here g dash of x is not equal to 0 for all x belongs to open interval a comma b. How it is? From that given question, a b is greater than 0. Therefore, f dash of x comma g dash of x are differentiable in open interval a comma b, and the next one f of x and g of x are continuous in closed interval a comma b. Once you see these three conditions satisfied, therefore all conditions satisfied, okay. Ma, shall I rub this rough part, ma? G of x rub cheyala? My bracket lo rasindi rub cheyala?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and that. all conditions satisfied by Cauchy's mean value theorem. By Cauchy's mean value theorem. Mean value theorem. F dash of C by G dash of C is equal to, what is the formula of that, ma? F of B minus F of A by G of B minus G of A. What is F dash of C here? 1 by 2 root C. And G dash of C is 1 minus 1 by 2C root C is equal to, what is F of B? F of B means root B minus F of A means root A. And what is G of X? That is G of B means 1 by root B minus 1 by root A. Okay, from that here 1 by 2 root C and here 1 by 2 root C cancel, and the remaining only minus C is equal to, here root B minus root A divided by, what is the LCM of that here? Root A into root B. From that, root A minus root B. Okay, then from that minus C is equal to, once you see, ma, for I am taking the numerator minus common, I'll write that as root A minus root B by root A minus root B divided by root A into root B is root AB. Then these two are cancel and both sides minus minus cancel. We got C is equal to what? Root AB. Therefore, C is equal to root AB belongs to open interval A comma B. Is it clear? Therefore, this is the C value by using Cauchy's mean value theorem. Hence, Cauchy's mean value theorem verified. Okay, is it clear, ma? This is the concept for finding by using Cauchy's theorem C value. Any doubts? Is it clear? Any doubts, ma?
And here obtaining, so what we got here is Novel's structure, linear formula. So second step now we will get the Novel's structure. Is a linear formula. Novel's linear formula is.
Kisura nijanga.
We are taking Novel's structure. Third step. So we are taking Novel's structure, and we will add in the formula. We will add again formula. So Novel's presence factors in the presence of formula, and adding hexagon between hexagon and second. This is second. Hexagon, second together. Hexagon, second together. So when we are adding this, after obtaining, so this we are adding formula, and also we are adding second hexagon between hexagon and.
Now finished. Attendance తీసుకున్నామా? Attendance copy చేయండి.
Cauchy's mean value theorem.
Give your attendance. D1, D2.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, ma. D7. D7.
Present, ma'am.
D7 present. D8, D9 present. E0. 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 Okay. E1. E2, E3, E4. E4, ra? E4. E4 absent. Okay. E5 is there. E6, E7, E8, E9. 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 F0, F1, F2. F2, ma. F2. F3, F4, F5. F5. Later, F6, F7 present, F8, F9, G0, G1. G1.
Ma'am.
Present, G1?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. G2, G3, G4, G5, G6, G7, G8, G9, H0, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, H7, H8, H9, J0, J1, J2 ma, J2, J2. No, today absent. J3, J4, J5, J6, J7, J8, J9, K0, K1, K2, K3, K4, K5. Okay, E4 also present. Okay, once you see the absent is E9, F2, F5, J2. These are all only E9, F2, F5, J2. Okay, na? Okay. Okay, ma'am. Malar copied this Cauchy's mean value theorem first question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall I take one more question? Okay, write down one more question from this theorem. Find C value. Find C value of Cauchy's mean value theorem on closed interval a comma b for f of x is equal to e power x and one more g of x is equal to e power minus x and a b are greater than 0. Okay, find the c value by using Cauchy's mean value theorem. For that, let us take given function, given that same as previous question, here f of x is equal to e power x and g of x is equal to e power minus x. Once first you have to verify these two are differentiable or not. Okay, what is the differentiation of e power x ma? E power x differentiation is?
E power x.
And what about g dash of x? E power minus x differentiation is? Minus of e power minus x. Therefore, the two are differentiable and here g dash of x is also not equal to 0. When it is proved, g dash of x not equal to 0 for all x belongs to AB, then AB values are greater than 0 according to the question condition. Okay, therefore, f of x and g of x are differentiable in open interval a comma b and f of x and g of x are continuous. In closed interval a comma b. Therefore, all conditions satisfied. All conditions satisfied. Then, by Cauchy's mean value theorem, if there exists C belongs to AB such that f dash of C by g dash of C is equal to what? F of B minus f of A by g of B minus g of A, right? This is the formula. From that, what is f dash of C here? E power x, that means e power C. And what about g dash of x, that is e power minus of minus C is equal to what is f of B? E power C and e power B minus e power A by g of x means e power minus B minus e power minus A. Okay, I'll take e power C, I'll take minus here, I'll take e power minus C in numerator, that is e power C is equal to e power B minus e power A by, I'll write this is 1 by e power B by 1 by e power A. This is e power C square equal to e power B minus e power A divided by here. What is the LCM of that? What is the LCM of the e power B into e power A? From that, e power A minus e power B. From that step, minus e power C whole square means simply I'll write e power 2C is equal to, I'll take minus common in the numerator, that is e power A minus e power B divided by e power A minus e power B Here e power a into e power b, bases are equal, then we should add, okay, powers. That means e power a plus b. Then once you see here, this one and this one is cancelled, and minus minus cancelled. From that, e power 2 is equal to what? E power a plus b. Therefore, okay, both sides exponential same, then take equating powers. That is 2c is equal to a plus b. From that, c is equal to what? A plus b by 2. This is belongs to open interval a comma b. Therefore, Cauchy's theorem verified, and the c value is what? A plus b by 2. Hence, Cauchy's mean value theorem verified. So c is equal to a plus b by 2.
Students, how to prepare qualitative storage?
Note down my any doubts?
Now by taking vinyl chloride, how many members you get? N number of vinyl chloride molecules you are adding and using categories, applying heat and pressure and going for polymerization process, you will get the polyvinyl chloride. So which type of polymerization was this one? In preparation of polyvinyl chloride, students tell me which type of polymerization? In preparation of PVC. Hello? Condensation, huh? Condensation, huh? Any elimination of byproduct is here, huh? Any elimination of any, which type of polymerization? Addition polymerization. Now Teflon, tell me, which type of polymerization? Preparation of Teflon. Addition polymerization. What you are taking? Monomers.
Okay, it's enough, ma.
You are taking here.
All are copied this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, any doubts?
Ma'am. No, ma'am.
No,
Shall I
ma'am.
give one more question, ma, for the practice? Okay. Then Cauchy's theorem, very limited questions are there. 2 questions over. I'll give 1 question for the homework. Okay. That means 2.5 minutes over for the CAE 1. Okay. From Monday onwards, I'll start with the question bank practice. Okay. Write down 1 question homework. The question homework రాయండి. After that, I'll wind up my session. If, very simple question, if f of x is equal to log x and g of x is equal to x square in closed interval a comma b with b greater than a greater than 1 using Cauchy's mean value theorem and prove that log b minus log a by b minus a is equal to a plus b by 2c square. ఏం లేదమ్మా, ఇది సి వాల్యూ ఈ ఫామ్ లో వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ 2c square అని ఉంది కదా, అక్కడే c square ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ సి. ఓకే, ప్రూవ్ దట్ log b minus log a by b minus a is equal to a plus b by 2c square. Okay, note down all of you. Just do that homework, and next class onwards I'll start the question bank questions. If all are copied means I'll end the session. అలా వస్తుంది సిస్టమ్ యూజ్ చేసేది.